Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ube Macapuno Cake. First, we're going to prepare the meringue. So we have the egg white. We're going to beat it. Next, we're going to add a cream of tartar, and we will continue beating the egg white until its soft peak forms. We're gradually adding the sugar as well. By the way, this is set to high speed. So I'm doing this for about 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, I'm going to sift and combine the all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Next, I'm going to add the egg yolks, vegetable oil, then I'll put the milk, Next, I'm going to add the grated yam or ube. Next, I will add the purple yam flavor. So you can add more as required. Next, we're going to fold the meringue. So I've divided it to 3 parts. I'm gonna put it gradually. So I'm carefully folding it into our mixture. So I will continue doing this until no more strikes remain. So it should be even when I'm folding it. Next, we'll pour it into our pan. So I'm using a round pan and I'm going to divide the mixture into 2 pans. So this is a 9-inch pan that I'm using. So that's the first. And this is the second pan. By the way, I preheated the oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. So now I'm going to bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Now here's our cake and we will let it cook for 15 minutes. So we're just going to run a knife on the side of the pan to loosen the cake. Then we will flip it and there you go. So we will just put it in a rack and wait for it to completely cool down. This is our second cake. It's the same thing, we'll run the knife. So it's loose and we will let it cool. So using a bread knife, I'm trimming the top of the cake to make it more even. So don't discard this. We're gonna use that later. So I'll do the other cake. Using a food processor, we're going to pulse the excess cake and we're going to do this until it looks crumbly. So there you go. We're going to use this to decorate the cake later. Now let's make the cream cheese icing. So I have the cream cheese, it's softened and I'm going to beat it with a handheld mixer. Then I'll add the whipping cream. The vanilla. Now I'm going to beat it until pale. While beating, I will gradually add the sugar. So we're going to continue beating this until firm peaks form. Okay, so this is now our icing. Now it's time to decorate the cake. So I place one cake on the serving plate and I will generously put the icing. So I'll arrange it this way, then put the second cake on top. Then we will fill the top and the sides with cream cheese icing. So I'm not very expert with cake, but I can assure you this tastes really good. Next, let's add the ube crumbs on top and also on the sides. Then we will put the macapuno on top. Finally, we're going to put the icing. Okay, so there you go. This is our Ube Macapuno cake. That's how we make Ube Macapuno cake. So I hope you like this video. You can try this as well. And if you have any suggestions that you would like me to do on my next video, just comment that below. And click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notifications on our latest video. And follow us on Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV 1. Visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com so you can get the full recipe. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!